What's up, guys? Welcome back to our video. As you can see, oh, good morning, good morning. We're back in the paint booth. So it's getting too cold outside to be out there. So now we're in here. What are we gonna do today, Chris?
It's awfully dark in here. I think we need some lights. But yeah, if they saw in the last video, we went and set the blowers, the heater, all of that. I haven't even seen that video yet, so we'll see how that turns out this afternoon. But none of the electrical's hooked up for it, and the rest of it was kind of sat in place, and we're at a good stopping point because at a certain point, I need to start doing all the electrical, doing the control panel, doing all that. But for the two people projects, like holding the lights while we zip them in, we definitely want to do that together. So I think Jared and I are probably on the same page here. I don't think we've even discussed it yet, but we're gonna kind of get those parts done, get lights kind of put in, things of that nature. Jared going through probably doing other little cleanup, trim pieces, sealing areas up, whatnot, while I go through and run all my wires, get the control panel set up, get that all ready to go. So yeah, so for today, we have lights that run from that corner all the way down. In the pictures, it looks like they sit about a 45-degree angle up in here. So we're gonna get those fitted and figured out. So that's on both sides. And then each wall has 3 lights that go in here vertically. They're about 4 feet tall. So we're gonna have to figure out how to cut this efficiently, remove the foam, and get that done. So probably won't get it all done today, but yeah, we're gonna get started on that, holding these lights up, getting them zipped in, and yeah, then we'll go from there.
Stay tuned, guys.
All right, guys, hopefully you can see this. There's a lot of noise outside, so I had to close that up, but in the time lapse, I'm sure you can see us throwing these lights in. Wasn't as bad as expected. So, Jared, how are we gonna put the other ones in these walls?
We gotta cut the panel out. There's the sheet for the sheet metal, and there's styrofoam in these walls.
That'll be interesting. So you're thinking we just cut a bunch of reliefs in it and pull out chunks.
Yeah, we can pop it out.
And I'm thinking we take a putty knife and we skim it off in sheets.
Yeah, or both.
So we're about to find out who had the best idea.
Yeah, this can get interesting real quick.
Well, honestly, it wasn't bad. These lights, right? I mean, way easier than expected.
Yeah, so there's 2 sections per wall. You know, obviously there's what, six lights per panel, so
12 total per
20,
side.
Yeah, that's 24, and that's without the wall lights. So I'm gonna get like 2 shades darker paint in here.
I'm gonna get tanned up. I don't think that's the same type of bulb, bro. But
it wasn't bad though.
Yeah, a lot easier, you know, and actually fit. So it's perfectly lined up on that wall. Seamed up right here, I think decent, and then lined up perfect on that wall. So we did something right.
Yeah.
Or else they wouldn't have fit at all. We even pulled out the tape measure to see.
Yeah,
it'll be close.
We would have ran it, and the last one wouldn't have fit. It would have been like 4 inches too long.
Something. Yep. But yeah, that's the deal. We're gonna get started. We're gonna grab some other tools. We're gonna cut this section out, figure out the best way to get that foam out of there, and so we can pop those lights in. Mind you, we're gonna get them in, but they're gonna be a temporary because they're gonna be popping back out for us to run all the electrical. But definitely was a 2-person job putting these lights up here. So we'll be back.
How's it working?
I hate this. This is worse than packing peanuts.
Right? It's like miniature ones. Oh. Well, you guys can see that's what we have to do times 6. Stay tuned. Back. Starting with a paint booth.
Yeah, I think we made some pretty good progress today.
Yeah.
One thing, I'm hating this purple more and more every day. But you guys can see we got all the side ones in everywhere. Obviously, we don't have any of the covers on it yet. They all came. They're like purple, just like all the rest of purple. That can't happen. So we're probably gonna paint them before we do it. Plus, these ones that are in the wall. Like we said earlier, we're going to bring the wires up through the wall to power them up before they can be finally installed. But I think we made pretty good progress.
Yeah.
I'm happy with what we did today. So as you can see, yeah, there's 2 sections that come together in the middle up top. Each side gets 3 of these lights, and you know, same thing on this side. 2 big long sections across the top. And then the 3 in the wall. That is where Jared was going to try to.
I knew you were going to do that.
I forgot about it until I was getting in the room.
I was like, man, just keep spinning.
Yep.
So how many bulbs are there?
42. 42 of those LEDs in total. I popped one open, try to see like what the wattage was or anything like that. It didn't say anything. If I was guessing, I'd probably say 20 watts a piece. So if it was 20 watts a piece, you're looking at 840 watts. And then you put that at 80 lumens per watt, just to be safe, because these are, you know, cheap Chinese. You know, generally kind of go 80 to 120 lumens per watt. So what's 80 by 840? A lot. So that is the official answer. But yep. So yeah, we are just about to peel out of here. We can call it done for the day. We already cleaned up most of our tools and whatnot. So we will see you guys soon.
Yeah.
Have a happy Thanksgiving. This is probably
That's right.
This is gonna post tomorrow, right? Thanksgiving.
Yeah, tomorrow on
Yeah.
Thanksgiving.
So happy Thanksgiving. Hope you guys are having a good turkey day and enjoying your family time and staying safe. Talk to you guys later.
See you.